Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another video. I just wanted to take a minute to shout out to all of my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm over 225 subscribers today, so keep those likes and comments coming. You guys are helping me grow this channel in record time. It's just over 2 months and I'm at 225 subscribers, and I'm almost at 1,000 watch hours. So I just wanted to say how much I appreciated that. I have been spending some time on the Dave the Watchman website with updating it and making it look a lot better than it did the other night when it was in the beta phase. I've added buy it now links to Amazon, their affiliate related links, so they do take you over with the affiliate link to Amazon. I've got some YouTube links and a subscribe button. And I've just basically made it look a whole lot nicer than it did before. Been spending a lot of time on it, so I just wanted to get something up that was really nice for you guys to head on over to. So if you want to check out the website, head on over to DaveTheWatchMan.com, and I'm just going to basically run through what I've got up here on the website. So I've been doing a lot of work on it. I've got a lot of watches on here. This is a watch that I have on order that I will be doing a review on. It comes in tomorrow. It is a Tag Heuer Monaco style design by Magier. I've got the Richard Mille up here. This is the Olev's Faceted Blue. A couple of really nice watches up here. And all the links do head on over to Amazon. So if you're looking to buy any of these watches, just click on the buy now when you head on over to the website, and it will bring you over to Amazon with the affiliate link. So that's a great little option to have there. So after you're done watching the reviews, you can actually head on over to DaveTheWatchMan.com, and I will have all of these watches that I am reviewing posted on the website. And just in case you guys have forgotten, please make sure that you... Oh, there's my buddy. Shrody, you're in the way. You're in the way, buddy. Just make sure, if you guys have not entered the contest, I am having a contest to give away this watch right here. So if you guys haven't already entered the contest, I will be posting at the end of the video how you can actually win that watch, how you can enter the contest to win that watch. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I will let you guys know what you need to do to subscribe if you haven't already. So anyhow, just wanted to make another shout out to you guys again and let you know how much I appreciate you guys and all the support. So just wanted to say I'm hard at work. Me and my buddy Shrody, we're hard at work, and we're getting all this stuff up for you guys, and making things easier if you want to find these watches. Like I said, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't think you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I sift through the garbage to help you guys find the good watches, the ones that are decent quality watches that do not cost a lot of money. So stay tuned right here. I'm going to let you guys know how to enter the contest to win this Rolex Submariner Homage by Olev's. And until the next time, I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Have a great day. So I'm going to actually give this watch away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see what you need to do to enter to win this watch, because one of my lucky subscribers will be getting this watch for free. So, like I said, stay tuned, and let's get into the watch review. Okay, guys, it is the Rolex Submariner, Blue Submariner Homage watch made by Olev's Watches. It is a wonderful looking watch. It is very good quality, nice build on it. It has the laser etched crown logo on the winding crown itself. It has the rotating dive watch bezel. It is a wonderful, wonderful watch with good weight, nice band, nice tight band, stainless steel, Olev's quality. They make great watches for budget-friendly, with, you know, budget-friendly prices. It's laser etched on the back. Wonderful, wonderful looking watch. It is a great, great watch. If you're looking for something that you're not going to have to worry about, that you can wear, that looks beautiful, and you don't have to worry about it, this is the watch you're going to want to get. I mean, this thing is very sharp looking. It is a beautiful, beautiful watch. I can't say enough good things about this watch. This watch brings in compliments. People like it. It's very sharp looking. It looks great no matter what you're wearing, whether you're wearing a suit, whether you're dressed up, or whether you're wearing a t-shirt and jeans. It just looks great. It's a wonderful looking watch, and I think they really did a great job on this homage watch. But this is the Olev's version of the Rolex Submariner. Wonderful, wonderful looking watch. And like I said, one of my lucky subscribers is going to walk away with this watch for free. All you need to do to be eligible to win this watch is, 1, like and subscribe. You have to be a subscriber in order to win this watch. Like this video, subscribe, and post in the comments section below in all capital letters, "nice watch." NICEWATCH in all capital letters. And I will need to have, in order to hold the drawing, I will need to have 1,000 subscribers by April 30th, 2024 at midnight Eastern Time. If I have 1,000 subscribers by then, I will be going through the comments section, and anyone that posted "nice watch" in all capital letters that is a subscriber will be eligible to win this watch. One lucky person will win this watch. It will be a random drawing, and I will be giving this watch away. It will be shipped directly to you. So, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. You will not see any high-end luxury watches that cost thousands of dollars on this channel, because I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, if you're interested in this watch and you want to enter the contest, I need 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Like and subscribe. Share this with as many people as you can, and post in the comments section below "nice watch" in all capital letters, and you will be entered in the drawing to win this watch. So, till next time, the next watch review video, my name is Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and I will see you in the next watch review video. Good luck to everyone, and have a great weekend.